Shaving off the excess crack filler. Okay, now let's take a look at our crack. Good match.